everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce around and look for something to do. Well, if you've been watching the market at all, you saw last week it kind of went on a bit of a run, as you can see here. The last few days it kind of shot up quite a bit. And this is the S&P 500. Again, they all look fairly similar. This is the NASDAQ, again fairly similar, and this is IWM. So what are we going to do this week? Well, this week we're going to have some fun. I'm going to let you make a decision. So as of right now, we can essentially say that the SPY is kind of in between its kind of most recent low and its most recent high. You know, roughly in the middle, obviously. So at this stage, is it going to continue up or is it going to turn around and go back down? Well, nobody knows the future, but I'm going to show you how to decide to pick a direction and how to make that trade. So if we go to the trade page, and again, we always want to be as close to 45 days as possible. So tomorrow this will be 46. Real easy. All we do is we open up the trade page, and the stock price is, we're just going to say 406. So if we want to bet that the stock price is going to go down from here, what we do is we always buy the put above the stock price and sell a put below the stock price. So in this case, we'll buy a put vertical. And you can see that's exactly, we're buying the 407, which is above the stock price, remember. That's the SPY, and then again it's at 406. And 406 we bought below the stock price. And as long as we're paying around 45 to 55 cents in that neighborhood, in this case, long verticals, we have a lot more leeway, so 44 is totally fine. And you can see the market is closed anyways, so who knows what the price really is. But the 45 to 55 cent range, totally doable, and even outside that, totally a per person choice. The rules aren't nearly as strict for buying verticals as they are for selling. So that would be the trade if we want to assume that the stock price or the S&P 500 is going to go back down from here. If we think it's going to go up from here, we do the opposite. Again, 406. If we want to buy a call vertical, we buy a call just below the stock price and we sell a call just above the stock price. And that's what we're doing here. So if we buy the vertical right here for the calls, and this is assuming the stock price is going to go up, we're buying the 406, selling the 407. Again, we always want the stock price between our strike prices. We can move these around, not a problem, but we always want the stock price to be between our strike prices, whether it's a call or put vertical. And again, in 45 to 55 cent range, right here, totally fine. So that's our trade for tomorrow. Totally up to you. If you think the S&P 500 over the next 40 days is going to continue up, you're going to buy a call vertical. If you think it's going to go down from here over the next 45 days, you're going to buy a put vertical. And those are our trades, either one, based on your assumption for tomorrow. Hello everybody! First off, thank you so much for watching my videos. I always appreciate when people take the time to watch my videos and learn from me. But in the end, I've got a great opportunity for you because really what this is all about is learning to generate an income stream. So all this knowledge is great, but until we put it into practice, what is the point of it all? At that point, it's just knowledge, but without putting it to practice, it's of no use to us. So I've come up with a way, I believe, to teach you how to generate an income stream with all this knowledge you're learning from me. So if you head on over to Sharper Trades, right there, sharpertrades.com, and you go to the products section, you'll see I have two alerts. They're the exact same alert. The only difference between the option and the pro is that this includes all my courses, unlimited access for as long as you're a member. But this is the one I want to get you up to date on, the alert. And what this is an alert I put out in real time, 2 to 3 times a week, real trades I do every morning, and also when I close them to maximize my profits. So I want to teach you how to generate another income stream, and I believe this is the best way. So if you go on over to sharpertrades.com, you type in this coupon code right here into the basic option alert. Normally it's $49 a month, but because I'm so interested in getting you up and running as quickly and confidently as possible, if you go there now and type in that code, it's only $1 for the first month. So not 49 bucks, $1, and you can get onto my alert system and see if you like it and learn to start generating income today by just typing in this code. And again, you can cancel any time. If you stick around for more than a month, obviously it'll go to $49 a month. But for $1 a month to learn how to generate an income stream, I believe that is a great opportunity. So hopefully you all jump on this and start learning to trade with me in real time, kind of right next to me as I trade on a daily basis. And for those that don't know, these are all my courses that I have up on Udemy. A lot of people don't know that these are a 3-part course. This is part 1, understand. Part 2 is the option strategies, and part 3 is make and manage profitable trades. So if you weren't familiar with that, this is a 3-part series. Now you know. So if you're somewhere in the middle or the beginning or the end, you know where to start and where to finish. And then of course I have a couple other courses there. So head on over to Udemy and learn more, and then take all that knowledge and join my alert service and start learning how to turn that knowledge into income. Hope to see you soon.